In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add visual effects virtual backgrounds to your Google Meet experience using the Chrome extension. This handy tool lets you enhance your video calls with creative backgrounds that can be both fun and professional, depending on your needs. So, let's dive in and get started. First, head over to Google Calendar. You can easily access this through your web browser by typing in the URL or by using a bookmark if you've got one saved. Once you're on the Google Calendar page, look for your scheduled meeting. If the meeting has a Google Meet link, you'll typically find a Join with Google Meet button right there in the event details. Go ahead and click on that button to proceed to Google Meet. After you've successfully navigated to Google Meet, you should see an option that says Join Now. This button is your gateway to entering the meeting. Click on it, and this will bring you into the waiting room of sorts, but don't worry, we're not yet done with the setup. Before you hit that final Join button, look towards the lower part of your screen for the More Options menu icon. It often appears as 3 vertical dots or a similar icon, depending on your web browser. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu that provides extra features and settings to configure your Meet environment. In this drop-down menu, look for Background and Effects. This section is where the magic happens. Click on it and you'll be presented with a range of background options. These options usually include a mix of default images and blur effects designed by Google. However, with the Chrome extension installed, you should notice additional options or effects that weren't there before. Now, this is the exciting part. Browse through the visual effect backgrounds available to you. Take your time here to find a background that suits the tone of your meeting or simply one that you like. Once you've found the perfect backdrop, click on it to apply. You should see a preview of how it will appear in your video feed before you officially join the meeting. By following these steps, you've now successfully enhanced your Google Meet sessions with virtual backgrounds using the Chrome extension. This feature not only adds a touch of personalization to your video calls, but also offers you a degree of privacy if you're joining a meeting from a location you'd rather not share with others. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it inspires you to use these features to make your virtual meetings more engaging and dynamic. Thank you for watching and enjoy your new virtual backgrounds in Google Meet.